Yeah.
Like a part-time
Yeah.
worker.
He's just, again, new patient. I didn't ask any questions.
No.
Don't have a lay onto your back for me, please. I'll show you. Cool. Yeah, so David's. Amazing. Have a lay onto your back for me, please. This might go viral. You have to be. There's one. Manchester city centre.
Yeah,
It is still like we've been looking at houses in Manchester.
Yeah.
And where it was cheap, it's really not cheap anymore.
Yeah.
Hold on to your shoulders, thank you.
And also the market, the property market is so high at the moment.
Good. And breathe. Thank you very much. Cool.
So is that a second house?
Yeah, that would be fun. Just get into the kitchen here now.
Yeah.
Well done. Perfect. If your neck doesn't always click